So this time we're gonna make the trunk, but first things first, we're gonna fix this place over here. Let's turn up the sub D. We're just gonna dissolve these edges. That we might straighten things out over here. Okay, just delete those words from here. Get that vertex. Zoom in. Just get rid of the extra vertices. I mean, get rid of the boundary edge loops or boundary vertices. Double G them and place them over there like that. And push that one back. And it creates a smooth triangle. And I mean, not smooth, like an equal triangle. Let's get rid of that boundary loop too. So from the top place, that's right. Backside, it is yeah, it's in the right place, I guess. Backside. Let's get the entire thing. Let's push it on the x-axis a bit. Get the lower one and just pull it on the bottom over there. Just resize and replace them. Cool. As you can see, like it is not matching in the right side, but it is matching on the back side. So that caused some problems. So as you can see, like the back side is causing the main issue. The blueprint is faulty, so we have to eyeball it. It is, to be honest, it is really good for this exercise because you can't rely on blueprints all the way around. So sometimes it is best to just eyeball it and just make the car of your own knowledge about cars and the sense about car curves and car geometry. So it's so we're just gonna look for one more reference picture. The more you look into the car that you're gonna make, the more information your brain will have, and the more easier, I mean, the way easier it will be. The less you rely on a blueprint, the more of a good artist you are. The top section looks good now. Now we're gonna fix it from the top side too. The right side looks good. Eyeballing it to make it smoother. So that portion is that side like that. If you go to the back and just push them just right there. Now extrude the vertice. Well, like how I am doing it. Just SY0, the lower to the new vertice and the existing one. Make sure that the old one is the active element. After that, we're just gonna push the new vertices over on the y-axis inside. make a face. Let's sharpen it. Let's see how it looks with the subdiol. It looks it looks good, but we have to sharpen it up a little way more. Push this one outside. Mm-hmm. And we have to fix this place over here. Move it on the x-axis. There we go. Let's get to the vertices inside of it. It's slowly coming into shape, so that's the good news. So that area got a sharp dip. So we have to push those vertices down for the dip to be seen. We're gonna give it two supporting edge loops for the dip to be sharper. Otherwise, it's just going to smooth itself. Let's get rid of those two now. Just extrude the light border. Now from the top side, get it to the boundaries. So just a little bit of improvise. Uh, what I did in here is just it taken the blueprint, the back blueprint, and just shrinked it with SZ, which is not ideal at all. But since it is not matching, since the back blueprint is really bad, there was no other way. Okay, so that is now matching. Cool. Now we're just going to quickly realign some vertices. Okay. As we can see here, that line over there, that just sharp edge, that just um, vanishes away. So we're making that line at this moment. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take those. I mean, from that vertice to the upper one over there. Take all of those. This SY. Let's clear. Let's take those instead of that. Just GY or like that. Press M and at last we're gonna merge them. We're gonna make a face starting from there. So we're gonna hide that portion. Control R, push it up. I'm gonna hide that face. Now Control R. Now Alt F to bring them back. Join that. Join that. Shit smooth and turn on the subd. It looks really good. We have to make some improvements and adjustments to make it identical. We're gonna hide that and just create the border as usual. By now, you guys know the drill. We have to fix the crease. Let's push that one back a bit by G. Looks good. Let's push them up. Push these two, these three up. Just the slightest. Let's see. Yeah, it looks good now. Cool, cool. That looks really good. We just face this last corner. Alright. See you guys in the next chapter.